Hey there, it's Mindy with This Fairy Tale Life, and this is a very quick Disney wall posing guide. A friend of mine asked me for some tips on how to take cute Disney photos, and so these are the tips that I gave to her, so I thought I'd turn this into just a quick video. So tip number 1 for posing is to move your body. A lot of people just stand still and take a photo, but I recommend just moving back and forth a little bit. You can move your arms around, put your hands on your hips, touch your ears if you're wearing any. Just keep moving your body and you'll turn up with some really cute poses. And you know, it might seem a little bit silly at first, but as you can see, the photos end up with some fun movement, and it makes for a more interesting photo than if you were just standing still and not moving. So tip number 2, work with the space around you. So if the ground is clean, you can actually sit on the ground and you can move your legs in different directions. You can look around and try out a bunch of different poses so you can see what is the most flattering. The other thing that you can do is actually try to do a jumping pose, and you can get a good jumping pose by using the burst function on your camera. And my final tip, tip number 3, is to be a little bit silly. So, you know, wave your arms around, go like step 1, but take it up a notch. You can spin around a little bit, make sure you smile real big, lean towards the camera, you can dance around a little bit, and this will give you some really fun poses where you're looking really excited and really happy and even a little bit silly. So I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Mindy with This Fairy Tale Life.